Look, Ripple joins BlackRock and JP Morgan as the leading trade association, ISDA. What does it say here? Ripple joins the industry, blah, blah, blah. Strategic move into derivatives and blockchain integration. In TradeFi, the San Francisco-based blockchain company Ripple has joined the prestigious trade organization International Swaps and Derivative Association. So this is the biggest market that exists in the economy. And to show you that is, here is a visualization of all the money in the world. So sport, cryptocurrency. So this was in the bear market, 760 billion, which we are over that right now. It's from 2022. So the numbers are not the same today, but you can have an idea of what I want to show you. So you have the crypto market, yeah, you have military spending. The currencies, which is also the forex market, is 8 trillion. So just fiat currencies, what many people around the world think of as money, is worth $8 trillion. Then gold, jewelry, bars, coins, central bank, and others, let's say now it's $15 trillion market cap. The world's billionaires, there are 2,668 billionaires in the world, the top 5, which are Musk, Bezos, Arnold, Gates, and Buffett. The central bank balance sheets, you can see here 28 trillion. The S&P 500, all these big companies together, 36 trillion. Then US versus China, gross domestic products. Jesus Christ. And then you have the global money supply, which is 48 trillion. You have the broad money, 82 trillion. You have the global stock market, which 25% is represented by the New York Stock Market Exchange. The Nasdaq, which is the technology index, and so on and so on. The global debt, which is at 300 trillion. Now I believe it's even higher. It should be at 400 to 500 trillion. $500 trillion. Imagine all this money here combined doesn't even make a little bit of our debt. Like, it's crazy how much we are in debt and how much we are inflating the debt for basically the economy to not collapse. It's just crazy. 259 trillion in residential properties, 326 trillion. The value of all the world's real estate is estimated to be $326 trillion. Agriculture, blah, 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 blah. But what I wanted to show you is this market. So the Swaps and Derivative Association. What are derivatives? It are contracts. Like smart contracts on the blockchain. These are just contracts, futures contracts, options, swaps, etc. Here, futures, forward contracts, warrant swaps, etc. So look here, you have national value of derivatives, which is all the value of the derivatives, $600 trillion. 600 trillion. This is the market Ripple is aiming for when they talk about tokenization of assets. And this is what people need to realize. And they are already a member of the ISDA. Okay? So they are already in the game of a $600 trillion market. Not talking about cross-border payments, not talking about on-demand liquidity, not talking about all these other utilities. When banks goes down, then XRP, Fragezeichen. Like, what will be its utility if the banks go down? I mean, I don't know about which banks you are talking about, but certainly the central banks are not going to go down.